birthday to you. Ay, bigla ko na pati. Yang mapalis, yung si Jomar.
Hello po!
Hello, good morning. May 17, birthday ni Jomar. Ayan, magsiswimming kami sa Siruma.
Hello po! Good morning!
Good morning. Ang oras ngayon is, what time is it? Ang oras ngayon is 6:43. Hindi natupad yung sinabi namin na sana mga 6 kami makaalis. Si na mama susunod kasi tulog pa si Albert. Ano yan, magpipray muna kami para sa hindi kasi kami makaka-attend ng misa ay ng mass. Nandito kami sa 7-Eleven bumili ng breakfast.
Ayun.
Grabe oh. Yan, tama na. Bumili kami ng mga sandwiches. Ayan. Yan, tumigil muna kami dito para mag-breakfast. Yan.
Hello po!
Ano ba ang video ngayon? Ha? Baka natin saan?
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, keep the stars alive. Whoa, maybe it's a sign we should do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me there, and let's do tonight again. First we get problems are evaporating. Maybe I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again. Even in another lifetime.
Ano ba? Aga nag-ano?
Ano, kumusta ang may birthday? Hoy, kinakantaan ka, Jomar.
Kanta ka ni Melody.
Thank you po.
Oto ba kasi mama oh.
Thank you po.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night.
Happy birthday to you. Mainitong talaga. Fish. Back.
Ay, pakita mo talaga dito. Tawakan po, nakapilip sila na. Oh, dali.
Dala!
Tapos ibalik muli doon ha. Karayuon man.
Galing talaga mag-dance ay.
Malidancing.
Ay, Diyos ko. Grabe talaga. Ay, talaga mag-dance ay. Ay, Jesus. Ay, galing mag